Welcome back to Too Many Mods Garage. We got everything loaded up in my truck, the car loaded on the trailer. We're going to Evadale to go race. It's about a 4-hour drive from here, but I've been there quite a few times, and we'll be there in a couple hours. Let me show you the truck. I'm about ready to go right now. Talk to you later on the way. Well, stopping to get gas. This thing drinks gas when it's towing a 4,000 pound vehicle, but it's a nice little setup. Looks really nice. Brand new trailer. We're almost there. We're like 30 miles away. I'll check back with you later tonight. Well, we're finally here. All the way in Buna, Texas, middle of nowhere. Got maybe 300 people live in this town, so not many people have even heard of it. It's out in the middle of the woods, right by Evadale, maybe 10 miles away. So.
And a smelly town.
Oh yeah, there's a reeking town around here. They got a paper mill, and it reeks.
Oh, it's bad.
It smells like raw sewage.
That's what I was thinking. Probably Pennywise will be here.
I'm gonna go ahead and shut this off and be back with you tomorrow. Well, I'm at Evadale, about to make my first pass, so I'm gonna make this quick. I'm like the next set of cars up, so I'm gonna do the burnout and try to video it. So I'll post that, but I can't post the times because I'm in the no time event. So that'll be it for now. Make a pass. Be back in a minute. Well, about to make the first pass at Evadale. We'll see how it hooks. This ain't radial prep. They said it's slick prep, so it's gonna be a little bit different. Might not get a good 60 foot, but hopefully it's still safe. Wish me luck. I've always been on radial prep. I've never been on slick prep, so I'm not really sure the difference. Steve Ellis gave me some settings to try, so he's real good with that settings. It's a McLaren in front of us. It's a real nice supercar. That didn't go good. See if this one will actually grab. Made some suspension changes, so I unplugged the dyno plug. Rain his ass down. I ain't gonna get no good traction here, so I don't know what I guess I gotta baby it out of the hole. It broke traction again, even with the suspension changes I just did, so. It's really aggravating. This car should be running like a scalded ape out here. But it's prepped for a slick prep, so they only prep the first 30-40 feet of the track. So if you don't get traction then, you're probably not going to get traction at all. There you go. Thank you. That was a horrible pass. That was the worst pass this car has ever made. I can't talk about my times anymore because I'm running the no time event, so I'll tell you if it's good or bad, but that was a horrible pass. Okay, this will be the last pass. It's getting really cold out here. It's 55 degrees. There's not many cars, so the track is really, really cold. And then it's not prepped for radials, it's prepped for slick prep, and they only prep the first 30 feet. So I'm not getting any traction at all, hardly. And I really don't want to put my car into the wall, so it's better just to go ahead and cut my losses and come out ahead. Did you want me to get in the right lane with that guy?
Yeah, right lane.
Okay.
He's got the left.
Okay.
You take the right.
Be in the right lane this time. We'll let the air pressure out of the rear tires down to 13 pounds, but after I do the burnout, it should be around 14. Hopefully it'll grab. Before it was 15. Can't catch a break. Red lit, but the car grabbed good that time, but it's real wobbly. I don't know if you could tell on the video. It's real wobbly. Once I get up to around probably 80 to 100 miles an hour, it's wobbling pretty bad with lower air pressure. But it felt like it grabbed out of the hole, but I didn't really floor it. I just gave it about half throttle. Yeah, I don't like this slick prep at all. I like radial prep, something that's meant for my tires. I guess it's a learning experience. This is probably closer to no prep than radial prep, but no prep is probably very similar to this. You are there? Take it. God, that 60 foot's horrible. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm gonna try to get this video wrapped up and get it posted online. I know it's not all that great, but I tried. I mean, I tried to come out here and race and have fun and be with my friends, you know. I just wish it would have turned out better. But it's all a learning experience. That's all this is. It's the only way you're going to get better is you got to experience different track conditions, and this is definitely a different track condition that I'm used to. Not to mention it's cold and it's kind of a little bit overcast, and the sun really ain't on the track anymore like it was before. The next video for the following week might be putting in a rear seat delete. I still haven't got around to that yet, but now that my car is back, I'm going to try to get that put in. I'll make a video for you guys. So be looking for that in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe and hit the bell notifications if you can, so you're notified when I got new videos coming out. I appreciate all y'all's support. Look forward to new content. I'll be out there racing, trying to gain as much knowledge as I can so I can do good on these different tracks that I'm not used to. Thanks. Take care. Bye.